chains. He set us free from sin and death to victory. No power of hell, no curse of man can stand against the great I am. He healed the sick, gave sight to blind. He turned water into wine. He walked on waves, calmed the sea. Jesus Christ, my victory. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to Him. He's the risen Savior, the King who conquered sin.